Hi, I'm Chef Maeve, and this is one of my favorite things to pack for picnics, outings, because it lasts all day and it's delicious. So come with me and let's go make tart in a jar. I'm gonna start with the lemon curd by using Finlandia butter, and the recipe and how to do it is going to be attached to this video. Then you're gonna take some amazing whipped cream, pipe that in, and then fill with your most delicious summer fruits. You could also use orange segments and grapefruit segments, some blueberries, some blackberries, and then we're just gonna repeat that one more time. In with the lemon curd, and then just give your jar a little tappy. Perfect. Go ahead and grab out that whipped cream one more time, pipe that in, and you'll take your favorite topper, and you can pack these on the side. These are pansies. Pansies are edible. How cute is that? Tart in a jar, people. I'm telling you, it's where it's at.